Hi guys, this is Vijay from Lab. In the world of manufacturing, machine durability plays a vital role in the overall efficiency and cost effectiveness of production processes. A durable CNC centerless grinder not only delivers consistent high quality results but also reduces maintenance and machine downtime. This is particularly important when working with high volume production where time is of the essence. The durability of a CNC centerless grinders can be attributed to several design elements: rigid and sturdy bases, high quality cast iron or other robust materials are used for the machine base, which provides excellent vibration dampening and stability. This contributes to consistent grinding results and prolongs the lifespan of a machine. High quality grinding and regulating wheel assemblies. Materials like aluminum oxide or silicon carbide are used to create wear-resistant, long-lasting grinding and regulating wheels, which ensures sustained performance over time. Precision bearings and spindle assemblies. These critical components are designed to withstand the rigors and continuous operations and maintain the machine's accuracy and reliability. The centerless grinding process itself plays a role in minimizing wear and tear of CNC centerless grinders. The absence of a spindle or a fixture to hold the workpiece in place results in less friction generated during the grinding process. This in turn leads to lower maintenance requirements and longer machine life. Plus, advanced features like automatic dressing, in-process gauging systems help in maintain precision wheel shape while reducing the frequency of wheel replacement, further contributing to the machine's durability. The durable design of our CNC centerless grinders is vital for their ability to withstand wear and tear, making them an indispensable asset in high volume production. Investing in a durable CNC centerless grinder ensures reliable, consistent grinding results while minimizing maintenance and machine downtime, ultimately contributing to the overall success of your manufacturing operations. If you have any questions or need further information regarding CNC centerless grinders, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much.